officiating crew, Edmar Avis, Alan Manzano, Jing Tagyam, and Benjo Estroga. Ball is up and we are underway dito sa Brenzy Giao Convention Center.
The rest of the coaching staff of the Cagers are actually working on for their team. Oh, man.
Justin Baltazar.
Andali.
Andali ng basketball.
Oh,
sa
yun
kaharap
lang.
niya.
Yun naman, bigat.
Cuevas to Giab. Yes, that's a three.
And the Cagers actually...
Archie Concepcion. The fadeaway from Archie. Yes, sir.
Yeah, pinag-uusapan natin yan kanina. Kakaiba rin ang...
There's MJ Garcia. Archie Concepcion. Three ball is good.
And he's already hit 2 3-pointers.
Cos. Quickly to De Leon. Blocked by Concepcion. Cuevas on the stick back.
Yeah, but that's okay if you're the Cagers.
So in the game, Jetro Sombero. Jaymo Egilos misses. And Jaymo. Jeff Bernes asking for it. Binigay kay Archie. In rhythm. No. MJ on the putback.
Well, two things you pick up from there. One,
Jason Starrett Letran also at his moments here with Pampanga as Makoy Marcos. Jeff Bernes, Mr. 50 points. Archie Concepcion, also a superstar. MJ Garcia has also blossomed into one of the top players here in the MPBL. And Justin Baltazar is the MVP. Pero, you know,
meantime, you see this mismatch right here very clearly. I mean, how do you stop that?
Baltazar again. MJ Garcia rises. No. Oh, yes.
Kung nanonood,
Marcos with a steal. Cuevas. They're asking for a travel, pero hindi binigay. Archie Concepcion, gustong bumawi. Yes, sir. Sarap siguro manood ng...
I mean, you do something really good on one end, but then the talent kicks in for the Giant Lanterns. And
may,
so,
may wake up.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Nice. That was a beauty.
Right. You get two guys.
Bongay. Yes.
There you go.
To Miggy. Rayson for three. Yes. 25-16 at the end of one. This score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. Miggy, wala pa rin. Ronan, wala. Tapik na punta kay Kevin. Wala. Alcoriza finally.
That's
Nakakapagod ha. Puro sila talon ng talon ha.
halos at saka yung the guys that's coming off the bench are very able then, you know.
Oh.
May advantage ka na sa nasa floor, may depth ka pa sa bench.
Baba kay Ronan. Yes.
Which talk to them, you know, get
Oo.
instructions.
Cortesa. Oh, the stick back is good. Miggy Cortesa. Buena Flor with a jumper.
Yeah. That's really his specialty, you know, hitting siya ano niyan, yung specialty ni Kevin.
Egilos, they go to Balti, spin, and the bucket.
And how did this?
I think Muntinlupa is in the tougher side of her schedule right now.
Right.
As MJ Garcia. Giab fires. Yes! With a shot clock winding down. Marcelian providing the pick. Batak attacks. Yes!
Yeah, good move.
Wala. Offensive rebound. Nakuha ni MJ. The one-hander will roll.
What this zone has done is, you know, eliminate.
Matt De Leon. Viernes. Corner three. Yes!
Si Jeff Bernes talaga.
3 seconds remaining. MJ will fire. Yes! $45-30 is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first for Muntinlupa. Here's Longalong. Baseline jumper is good.
And there you go. Nice weave.
Asidre for 3. Yes. Nice shot, Rocky Asidre. Asidre fires
shot.
again. Rocky Asidre, back-to-back three-pointers.
You have to sustain that and try and trim this down to single digits.
Oh, nice pass. Balti to Miggy Cortesa. In pre-pandemic,
Correct.
ano to, naalala ko to, no? And when I was covering them as Baltasar scores, 12 points in the game para kay Justin Baltasar.
Awan, right? There you go. The very rare time that you see a post-up.
Oo.
There.
Jasper Longalong, kahit na. This time Dave picks it up. Dave drives left, dire-diretso,
wow.
Dave Moralde.
Yeah.
Archie Concepcion for 3. Wala pa rin. Baltasar, no good. MJ Garcia,
Oh, wow.
the bucket and the foul. MJ Garcia. Ito ng tira ni Archie
Oo nga,
Concepcion, hindi pumapasok eh.
Yung feeling mo na papasok. Oh, wow.
Now, what about MJ Garcia?
If it's not Archie, it's MJ.
Asidre, Capasio puts the ball on the deck. Jumper from Gabe Capasio.
And that's pretty much how. Pag tumira talaga, akala mo papasok.
Oh, beautiful. Ito Ronan Santos. Backing down on Magbohos. And Ronan Santos. Terrific footwork from the end of the third quarter. Score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first. Rocky Asidia steps out to the three-point line and knocks down the 3.
Yeah, he took one earlier. Ganun lang talaga eh. Kailangan continue execute. Nice move.
And Rocky Asidia lays it in for 2. It's been a scrappy game for Muntinlupa, but March De Leon knocks down the jumper.
Well,
Binuya. Garcia wants it up top. Sombrero. Cuevas for 3. Yes.
it's down to 12 now.
Viernes for 3.
Oh, wow.
And that restores order for Pampas. Viernes. Sombrero. Umatake.
Nice pass.
Giab. Reverse.
Nice pass.
Off air lang. Off air lang. Igilos. Oh! And Baltasar. Pwede ba yun? Ganun kadali? Rayson. Three-pointer.
That looked good. The stick pero lumalaban, hindi yung suko lang.
Oo, and Alcoriza banks that one in.
Yan ang delikado. Pag nagti-3 points na rin yan si Alcoriza.
5 seconds sa shot clock. Nag-double team pa si Balti. Longalong to Giab. 2 points. And another show of force from Pampanga. Our best player of the game brought to you by Buenas, MJ Garcia. And finding a way to make an impact using his athleticism, using his skill, and a little bit of everything for MJ. And three-pointer right there to close out the first half for MJ Garcia, and he was able to sustain that in the third quarter. And Pampanga with a 21-point win over Muntinlupa. Final score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first